Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a beautiful project to share with you, and we are going to make this floral granny square which can be used in numerous projects. So let us start off with our magic ring. Now once the magic ring is done, please watch carefully. I am going to chain 1. After that I'm going to work a single crochet and then chain 2. Now if you want to make a chain of 3, that also can be done. So this is counted as 1 double crochet. After that I am going to work 1 double crochet. After that let us chain 2 and work a set of 2 double crochet. This is the second one. Again chain 2 and let's work a set of 2 double crochet. And again chain 2, work a set of 2 double crochet. This has to be done till we have 8 batches of 2 double crochet. And another thing that I haven't mentioned is that we have to use the hook size of 2.5 mm. Actually for my kind of yarn I am using 2.5 mm. You have to take the hook according to the yarn that you are using. So here I am working my final 2 double crochet. This is the 8th one. Let's pull the tail. After that let's work a chain of 2 and we are going to slip stitch into the topmost chain. Here in this case it is the second chain, because I had worked a single crochet, after that a chain of 2, and so into the topmost chain I am going to slip stitch. Let's chain 1 to secure our work and snip off the yarn. So our very first round for our project is done. Now I am going to use the pink yarn. You can choose your yarn colors as you wish. Now I am going to work a standing double crochet. As I tell you, if you are not comfortable with it, you can use a chain of 3. Now let's work a standing double crochet. This is how it is to be started. And into the chain 2 space I am going to work my standing double crochet. That's the first one, followed by the second double crochet. Now let's chain 3 and work 2 double crochet into the same gap or into the same chain 2 space first, and this is the second one. So that's done. Now into the next chain 2 space we are going to work 2 double crochet, chain of 3 and work a set of 2 double crochet again. That's the first, followed by the second. Now into the next gap let's work 2 double crochet. That's the first one, followed by the second, chain of 3 and again 2 double crochet into the same space. So this is the sequence for the second round of the pattern. So let's continue making 2 double crochet, chain of 3, 2 double crochet into each of the 8 gaps that are there. So that's my 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Now all around we are going to work in the same manner, and my final chain space is left. There I'm going to work 2 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second, chain 3 and let's work 2 double crochet again into the same space. So here this is done. Now I am going to slip stitch into the very first chain. that was a standing double crochet. Into that first chain I am going to slip stitch, and now I am going to skip chain spaces in order to reach that chain 3 space. This is how we skip spaces, and here I reach the chain 3 space, where I am going to work a chain of 3, which is counted as 1 double crochet, followed by 2 number of double crochet. That's done. Now let us chain 3 and work 3 double crochet again into the same space. Now into the space there we are going to work a single crochet. After that, into the chain 3 space, let's work 3 double crochet. That's done. A chain of 3 and again 3 double crochet into the same space. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. Now let's work a single crochet in that gap. So we are alternating with single crochet and 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. We are working these alternately. So 3 double crochet done. Let us chain 3 and work 3 double crochet again. So here my 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet is done, and this is the sequence that we are going to follow and work all around. Let's work the single crochet there. After that it's going to be 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Actually the sequence is very easy to remember, and this is going to be a beautiful square, floral square pattern which can be used for cushion covers, for making table runners, for making jackets. It can be used for stoles, jackets, cardigans, which can be used during the spring and summers, because it's going to be very airy. I just worked a single crochet. Now all around we are going to work in the similar fashion, and here I am almost at the end, and I will be working my last batch of 3 double crochet, chain of 3, and again 3 double crochet. So my 3 double crochet is done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to work our final single crochet there into the gap, and then I am going to slip stitch into the topmost chain of the very first chain of 3. If you remember, we had started our work with a chain of 3, and into the topmost chain I am going to slip stitch. That's done. Now let us chain 1 and snip off the yarn, because I will be changing my yarn color now. See how pretty it is already looking. Now I'll be using my green yarn, and here I am ready with my yarn, and I am going to start off with a standing double crochet again. If you wish to, you can start off with a chain of 3, but I'm sure if you work the standing double crochet a few times, you'll understand how it is to be worked, how easy it is. Now into the chain 3 space I am going to start off with my standing double crochet. That's the first. Let's start off with the second double crochet. That's the second, followed by the third double crochet. So we worked 3 double crochet. Let us chain 3 and work 3 double crochet again into the same space. So that will function as the corner for our project. That's the first corner in making. After that, let us chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now we are going to work a triple crochet right down there. That's why I have winded the yarn twice. So this is how we work a triple crochet: yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through 2. That's done. Now let us chain 3 again. 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to work a single crochet right up there into the chain 3 space. So that's done. Now again a chain of 3, wind the yarn twice, and down we come there to work our triple crochet. Sorry. That's done. Now let us chain 3 again. 1, 2 and 3, and into the chain 3 space there we are going to work our corner. That's going to be 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Three is done. Now let's work the 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. After that let us chain 3, and we are going to work our triple crochet down there. 1, 2 step below, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's done. Now let's chain 3 again, and now we are going to work a single crochet into the chain 3 space. Now let's work chain 3 again. 1, 2 and 3, and let's work a triple crochet down there. This is how we work a triple crochet, just that one step is extra then that we work for double crochet. Now here I'm working my corner, that is 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. So this is the sequence that we are going to work in this particular round. So here our corner is almost done. We are going to work all around in the similar fashion, and I'm going to catch up with you once I reach the starting point. So here I am almost at the starting point, and that's my corner, last corner that I worked. I just worked a triple crochet. Now let's chain 3, and we are going to slip stitch into the very first double crochet to complete this particular round. So here my round is complete. Now we are going to continue with the next round, for which I am going to chain 3, which will be counted as 1 double crochet. Once that is done, into each of the chain spaces I will be working 1 double crochet. So that's 3 double crochet already done. Into the chain 3 space I am going to work 2 double crochet, chain of 2, 2 double crochet is done. Let us chain 2 and work 2 double crochet again into the same space. So that makes our very first corner for this particular round, and into the next 3 double crochets I am going to work individual double crochets, or we can say into each of the chain spaces we are going to work equal number of double crochet. That's the chain of 3, so we need to work 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third double crochet. Now into the top of the triple crochet I'm going to work 1 double crochet. Into the chain 3 space we will always be working 3 double crochet. That's the first, followed by the second and the third. Into the single crochet there, let's work 1 double crochet. Into the chain 3 space we are going to work 3 double crochet. So this is how it is to be worked all around. It is pretty simple and the result is going to be beautiful. Now into the chain 3 we just worked in, on top of the triple crochet we are going to work 1 double crochet. After that the chain 3 space is there we are going to work 3 number of double crochet. Now into the corners let's work 3 double crochet on top of the existing double crochet in the corner. And into the chain 3 space we are going to work 2 double crochet, chain of 2 and again 2 double crochet. So my corner is also done. So we will be continuing in this similar fashion. We'll be working all around, and here I have worked and I have reached the starting point almost. Here I will be working my double crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous round. Into the chain 3 space we need to work 3 double crochet. Now on top of the triple crochet I'm going to work 1 double crochet, and again into the chain 3 space I am going to work 3 number of double crochet. That's the second, followed by the third. So my round is complete. In order to complete it we are going to slip stitch, that's the final step, into the topmost chain of the very first chain of 3. I'm going to chain 1 to secure my work and snip it off. So this is how my square flower pattern looks. Now let's tuck the loose ends using the tapestry needle, and once it is tucked the extra bit of yarns can be snipped off without worrying. So finally it's done. This is how it looks. I hope you all liked this pretty square pattern. Thank you for staying till the end. If you all have found the video interesting, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today. Bye bye. Be safe, be happy.